Hello there. I just wanted to make a quick video that's sort of hopefully solves a problem for some of you, which is just how to correct low brightness levels when dealing with footage that you've recorded either from Play Blast or from rendering inside of Premiere. I know this was a request that was made over the weekend by a few people, so I thought the easiest way to deal with this was maybe just to record a quick clip for you. So I'll just get straight to the point. As you can see here in this video footage, I've got that same clip that we dealt with last week, except this time it's definitely a little bit darker than we would like it to be, and so I would like to correct that. Luckily that's easy enough to do using some of the preset effects that come built in to Adobe Premiere. So simply all we need to do is head over to our effects area. Now you can see here I'm actually using the effects tab. Now the default tab is usually editing, but you can again switch over to the effects tab if you wish, just to get access to this tab here. Now you might find this by going through all these different things such as video effects and then the color correction, and then you can find there is a brightness and contrast filter here, or of course you can just simply type it in the search box. I'm just typing brightness or just bright for short, and we can see that brightness and contrast has appeared here, and this works simply as a drag and drop. So I'm just going to grab this and drag it on top of this little video clip, and we can see that it now has been applied, but we haven't changed any of the settings yet, so nothing's happening there. So I'm just going to float around the middle section here just so that I can watch how these settings work. So you'll notice here on the actual video, basically the video stack to the left hand side here is where I can get an overview of everything to do with that image, including how quick it runs, the rotation, the position of it. But you can see that now there is a brightness and contrast area that has been added, because that's what we just did in that operation. And so if I click and drag the brightness, you can see I can change that brightness relatively easy, and that has been applied across the entire video clip, which is excellent. And of course you can play with the contrast as well, but that can be a little bit dodgy looking, so it's using extreme circumstances only. Just going to reset that. So hopefully that little quick tip will hopefully fix some issues that you're having in your brightness and level.